I'm a big believer in single arm work. I do a lot of single arm stuff. So I don't worry about switching my grip, doing two-handed swings really. I do have a little bit of limited range of motion in my right elbow, so it does put a lot of torque on my right tricep when I do swing with my left hand on bottom. But switching your hands adds a pretty fun dynamic to your swinging, and a lot of people really enjoy the benefit of the asymmetry of swinging with both grips, both directions. So a real common, simple way to do it that I like is during like a 10 to 2, and you just bring it over and you switch your hands. And then you can choke up and down on the mace handle as you do it. And then you can obviously switch during curl cast to slide your hand up. Goes both ways to slide your hand up. And you can switch it over the shoulder. Let me see. I guess I've got to do it this way. So, yeah. So, there's a lot of fun to be had practicing switching your hands. And it adds a very unique dynamic to it and a unique challenge. And a lot of proprioception and dexterity in your hands, trying to know, you can't really see what you're doing and it's fast. You got to be quick. You got to, let go of the mace, move your hands, grab it again while maintaining control so you don't yeet your mace out the window. But it's a fun challenge, and it is something that I've, in different points in my training, spent more time on. I don't spend a lot of time on it right now, but anyway, let us know what you think. Leave some comments in the video, and we'll catch you on the next one.